everybody. All right. Can you guys hear me? Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Luis Ramos. What's up, Mr. Ramos? What's up, Filio and Justin? Good morning. All right. Now I have to get a few things done first. Let me grab this. Not a bad call yesterday morning in my email. I'm telling you guys, start taking shit. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, everybody. People on this wall. Good morning, everybody. My free email signal from yesterday made over 1,500. You guys probably know what pips are. God. Pips US30, which, for those of you who are ignorant, which is beyond outstanding. Let me see how many it made for NAS. This is where my call was, where I sent out the email, and that's where it is currently. Wow. I'm just giving you rough estimates here. I'm sure it's actually more. I always under-report everything. 800. Over 800 pips. NAS 100. And by the way, these are made over and still going. And let's see for SPX. I won't even count NQ, YM, or ESs because they're all the same, but technically I made the call for them too, just so we're clear. Over 200 for, oh my God, over 200 pips for SPX, which is beyond outstanding. Go ahead. Where are the haters at now? I'm giving away these for free. This is a free signal from my email service. 200 pips in a day. I've never done SPX 500, which you guys call SPY. Over 200 100 pips in a day. That's psychotic. I've never made that many in one day, ever. It's that good. Okay. All right. Oh, some guy said get a microphone. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly or not. I can't help it if you can't. Nothing I can do about it. I don't have my good microphone with me. You can head over to TikTok. I'll hook that one up. Maybe it'll have better sound for you, maybe not. If not, if you cock off one more time, mouth off one more time, Jaden8844, you'll be banned from my channel. I hope I'm clear on that because I kind of specifically told him that. All right. Good morning to you all. What's up, peeps? Just wanted to point out a couple of little things there. I'm pretty sure the call I made yesterday through my free email made a few of you some money. Show of hands. Morning, Justin. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Louise. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Mr. C. Good morning, ZB1. Good morning, SOG. Sound is good. Thank you, Filio. Sound is fine on YouTube. Thank you, Persistent. Now, listen. How many of you made any kind of pips, money, ticks on my call from yesterday? How many of you? Sevens if you did, yeses if you did, thank gods if you did, whatever. How many of you? So if you made money, demo money only off of my call.
Demo trade only.
Let's hear it. None of you did? I'm going to go ahead and leave this morning. If none of you made any money off of my calls from yesterday, I'm leaving right now. I'm going to go work out at the little room, a little workout room they have here. I'm going to go for a mile-long walk. I'm not dealing with this shit. So I better see some kind of sevens, yeses, and thank gods. Oh, it jumped up. This is one of those scammy spikes when they reopen the market right here. Let me show you. Say you don't see a candle right here. Yeah, that's what they do. So did I miss that call, or was my call 100%? Can you see that space right there? That's what they do. They jump it like that sometimes, and that's what they did. And every indices, because they all do the exact same thing. And if you guys don't answer my question, we're going to have some more issues here. All right. Now, good morning, Dennis. Good morning, Kirk. Good morning, Filio. Okay, so some of you did. Fair enough. All right, now I have to get this set. Hold on, you guys. I'm losing focus. Analytics. Yay, we're back up over that. Let me stop. Boom. Right. Let me go down here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What a great morning. I'm going to say a little prayer this morning to start things off with. I'm going to pray again when there's a lot of people there because they always jump on around 9. Get up to about what we make yesterday, like 103 on the one, and then another 20 or 30 on that one. We probably had 150 people peak watching, which is probably the most I've had in a long time. I think we're starting to spread through the little Apex and Top Step communities that, oh, this guy's making calls. We don't have any drawdown and we're getting funded. All right, where's my TikTok at? TikTok, baby. All right, open this up. All right, now, why is couldn't come? Where the hell's my? Oh, is that it? I'm confused. Couldn't capture the game or what? Co-host multiplayer. Well, how do I? Well, isn't that weird? Hold on a second. Let me see something. All right, little studio. No. There we go. Portrait. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Give me just a second. Good morning. Sure. I don't know which one to capture. Oh, well, that works. All right, I'm going live on TikTok. Add camera. What is wrong with TikTok and their weirdness? They can show your own face. There you go. All right, now we're going live. All right. Live on TikTok. TikTok, baby. TikTok. All right, now let's see if we actually are. Don't leave, can't always trade, working, but love listening. Oh, thanks, Dennis. Thanks for speaking up. Good morning, Dennis. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Love the name always. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Philio. All right, I'm not leaving. Michelle Glowinski. What's up, Michelle? I think you're first over there on TikTok. Definitely first say hi. Good morning, Michelle Glow. Hope you made some money off that call yesterday. I've known Michelle Glowinski and Mike Glowinski for over 40 years. Just wish I could help them make a good amount of money, but I think I'm going to go with that one, Tracy. You guys get better with it. All right. Please take any back up on US30 until that's the 30-minute line. It's free money. My free email signal from yesterday made over, and all symbols are still going. 1,500 pips in a day for US30, 800 pips in a day, 200 pips in a day. I've never heard of 200 pips in a day. Never, ever, 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 ever have I ever heard in 3 years of trading live with you guys, 200 pips made in a day. It's a record. It's literally a record for me. So you guys are witness to history. I've never seen it, never done it. Unbelievably, I can't believe it happened. That's how good that is. So whatever that's worth, I'm extremely proud of that. You guys are part of that. Yay. Put this, we're going to try to save this up full time. I'm going if I can. There you go. Let me save this over. This over. Oh, keep it there. Let's just leave that there and see if I can play around. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. We'll have some loud noises. What time is it? 7:30. Damn, I won't make it too loud. All right. Oh, Michelle's on both. Thank you for being on TikTok and YouTube, Michelle. Good morning, morning, Martin Griffiths. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Oh, yeah, I gotta write this prayer down, actually. I emailed myself this little prayer. Let's see how it goes with you guys. PHT, it's dynamite. PHT, out of sight. PHT, dynamite. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. There we go. All right, now where were we? I wonder if you can see anything on TikTok. Should I go over there and look? Let me go over there and look. Buy stop, play any 30-minute buy stop on US 30 until it hits this 30-minute blue line. That goes for all indices, but especially. No, we don't want to go live. We don't want to go live. Nope, nope, nope. We don't want to do that either. We want to go to here. We want to go over to safety trade. We want to find me live. And then me live. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Doesn't that look good? Can you zoom in? Ah, wait. I don't want to lose me. Oh, you can't zoom in? I thought you can zoom in. Huh. What if I turned it side? Well, I don't know. I don't think it looks that bad. It's kind of tiny, though. Well, tough shit. I'll leave it like that for now. All right. Mr. C. Good morning, Mr. C. I haven't seen you in a minute. Larry Cooper, Michelle Golinsky, thank you all for being on TikTok. Reactive gifter level was a what? I don't know what any of that means. All right. Where are we at? Oh, yeah, prayer. Whew.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yep, all my little buttons are working. Father, we come to you in Jesus' name, thanking you for the following. That all is well with every one of my listeners, and especially every one of my family members, and especially my beautiful wife, Bree. Thanking you that thing is working out for our highest good, especially for all my listeners, and especially for my family, and especially for Bree. And we thank you that out of each experience, only good will come to us, especially my listeners, especially my family, and especially Bree. And that thanking you that we are safe, and that we are protected, and that we are loved. And I'd like to ask a special blessing upon each one of my listeners that they actually open up their ears, eyes, hearts, and souls so they can learn the safety trade system, so they can finally make consistent profits trading. In Jesus' name, amen. Good morning, history and wildlife. Oh, I'm going to take a guess on this. Is that you, Amy? Good morning, Amy. I think that's Amy. Amy Lou. If it is, good morning, Amy Lou. If it's not, good morning, Amy Lou. It is. I knew it. Yay. It's so nice having her around. Good to see you this morning, Amy. Hey, Coach, is there still a 12-hour sell stop we should be waiting for? Yes, we'll get that in a minute. Justin, I saw your question earlier. I just ignored you. Good morning, Jason Lyons. Good morning, ZB1 and Amy Lou again. Please, Amy Lou, no gifts, no gifts, no gifts. Please, 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 please. I'm good, guys. I don't need any gifts from anybody. I'm more than happy. All right. Now, looks to me like there's a 1 second sell. Let's go. 5 second stop, US30 to the blue line. Take profit 1. Trade sells. You guys can trade all the sells you want. I'm not taking this. Sell stop to the 10 second blue line. US30. Take profit 2. 39,850. Let's go at where I like to trade. 1 minute buy stop. 1 minute buy stop. I love US30 1 minute buy stop. I don't even know why Justin's asking about a sell. You're never supposed to take sells with any indices. Please flash up 7s if you understand. You never take a sell on any index. You're making me yell inside of a thing. That's not good. Take profit 39,949. This is a 1 minute buy stop. I clear. You never take a sell on any indices. At least nothing past the 15 second, 30 second sell. Am I clear? You never take a sell on any indices. You never take a sell on any of these 3. You never take a sell on YM, NQ, or yes. US30 hit. Oh, it hit 5 seconds hit. 5 second hit. You already have your first take profit. If you want to take the sell, you could have did the 5 second sell. I still wouldn't take these. 10 second sell stop. Play any US30 hands or SPX sell stop to the second blue line. Let me see where NAS is at. Yeah. Sell stop. Any 1 second, 5 second, 10. If you want to play a sell, feel free. It's going to go down to the 10 towards the 10 second blue line. All 3 indices. We don't take sells, but if you want to take the sell, feel free to do it. 1 minute buy stop US30. I gave you to take profits there. Let me go up a little bit more now. And it isn't a 9 hour anyway. It's a 12 hour sell stop towards the daily blue line. Will it go down there? I don't know, and I don't give 2 fucks. Sell stop, US30, 35, 36,000 even. 12 hour daily sell stop. Now, I don't fucks about that sell. All I care about is this buy. Now, by the way, where did the tariffs go? Hold on. Where did the fucking tariffs go? Hold on. Where? Someone explain this to me. Where did the negative tariffs causing the pound go? Where? What? How in the world did US30 and NAS and SPX go up with all that bad tariff news? Am I getting clear to anyone? Tariff, write this all down. News is 1,000% total and utter. Am I clear? Am I clear? It can't explain anything. It just went up 1,500 pips yesterday. 800. We went up 2,500 pips and going against the tariff news of everything being bad. The tariff news, yes. Type out the word yes if you understand news, and the old way of trading does not work. Type the word yes if you understand the old way of trading does not work. I'm not kidding you. Type it out. Because I'm not listening to this tariff news. I told you it's going to go up. I told you US30X are all going to record highs. Period. All they're doing is creating a daily, weekly buy stop, 3 weekly buy stop. The tariff news is 100% lies. All that matters is my system is calling for a weekly buy stop, and it will go up because it's going to go to this record highs because there is a weekly buy stop. They are close to a deal. Give me a break. So now is coming, get out of here. Tariff news is 100% lies. 100%. What's up, T. Gib? I know you are. Egypt. Good morning to you. I mean, get out of here. What a bunch of lying scumbags. So they're close to a deal. Get out of here. They make up the weirdest shit to try to. What matters is everyone admit is that this is a 30-minute buy stop to the blue line in US30. It's a weekly buy. It will go up past where I told you, and I guarantee you that it will. I'm not guaranteeing you shit, but I'm telling you that it will. You will see US30 go past 43,300. You will see US30 go past 45,000. Me personally, I still think US30 is going down to. I would prefer. Let me rephrase that. I would prefer US30 go down to 36,000 first. But I don't care. There it is. There's your weekly buy. They can go suck it. It's going to go a month, a week, 6 weeks, 6 months, or 2 years. It will go up past this period because there is a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop on all three indices. Doesn't matter the news. News is a bunch of lies. Yep. Left my ass up. The BS just makes us more. I know that's all it does. They're so weird. And I guess, by the way, I'm not sure on this. Bitcoin. OG. Who called Bitcoin a buy when it was tumbling like a rock? Who told you where it was going when I told you where it was going? Not only I told you it's written, I told you it was going to 90,000. I told you it was going to 94,000 something. Hold on a second. Let's see Bitcoin, shall we? Let's take a look. 95,000 right there. There it is. I told you it was going to 83,000, 85,000, 89,000. Take profit 1 hit on Bitcoin. Take profit 2 hit on Bitcoin. Take profit 3 hit on Bitcoin. And I believe that's take profit 4 hit on Bitcoin. I told you over and over and over again. As Bitcoin was getting destroyed, I went down. And then what did I do? I called the up over and over and over and over and over and over again. I kept telling you Bitcoin was destroyed. Matter of fact, didn't I name one of my things over that? I believe I did. Yeah, I did. Hold on. I believe I named. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, my brother. I believe I named one of my videos Bitcoin, the strongest possible buy stop, and no one listens. Let's go over there and look. I'm telling you. It was a long time ago, but I named it that because I told you where it was going. I told you what it was. I'm done sitting back letting all these other people out there try to lie to you and tell you they know nothing about. Here's a demo buy stop. Bitcoin demo buy stop a month ago. No. I mean, is Bitcoin up or down? Bitcoin's going up. I said it was the strongest possible buy stop. Overnight reversal. Must rewatch. Told you gold was a buy. That's a month ago. Told you about gold going record high before. For 3 years, I got correctly gold. Hold on. I might have renamed it because of hold on. What's tracking? What's the lag? US30 is up. You see? US30, of course, today. There you go. US30 hit 5 second. Now it's a 10-second blue line. Nice. I wouldn't take any of these. You're about to see the 10-second. You're about to see 10-second change. So yeah, there it goes. To red. I wouldn't take any of these. Sell to feel free. NAS is also going to its 10-second blue line. Let me show you that. It's going to go to its 5-second. There you go. Yep. You can play these 5-second, 10-second cells to the 10-second blue lines on all three indices, or better yet, you can play the 1-minute buy stop on US30, or you can play the hour daily cells, or better yet, you can do the weekly buy stop on US30. I'm telling you, US30, NAS, and SPX are all going to record highs. Nothing to do with the silliness that you guys refer to as tariff news. Tariff news is lie after lie after lie after lie after lie after lie after lie. There's no such thing as tariffs doing this or tariffs doing that. It's a joke. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Rocket. Hey, that's funny, Rocket, this morning. I guess it's bad again. Good morning, John. Good morning, my brother. Good morning, D-Man. Good morning, Trade Gun. Is the sound any better on TikTok? If not, I can fire off my TikTok and you guys can hear from there. Here we go, watch. I'm going to switch over. I'm going to go live on TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and close down my current TikTok. Go look for another live. So everybody on TikTok, you're going to have to switch TikToks, okay? We're done. We're going to go over to the live. And let me know if the sound quality isn't immensely better over here on this TikTok. If Larry, if you could head over there, or John Parker, maybe, Gary Ramundo, D-Man, just go to TikTok, type in the safety trade, look for the most, it's the only live that's there, and tell me if the TikTok is better sound over there. Yeah, I guess I'll have to buy a new mic. I was trying to avoid that. But let's get a new one. Let me switch the captions. There you go. If somebody can head over to TikTok. No, there's a new TikTok. Please head over to the new TikTok.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Da 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 who loves precious so very much? Da, 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 da. I love precious so very much. Da, da, da. Who loves precious so? Okay, sound any better on TikTok? Yes or no? Much better sound. There you go. So there's your answer. All of you people who can't hear, head over to TikTok. If you don't do that, it's on you. Da, 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 and I'll order a microphone later. Make a note on that. Just got here. Michelle Gowinski. Please, Michelle, don't give any gifts. Or John, but I appreciate it. But thank you. There's no need. Give me a mic check. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Radio mic check. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. Yeah, the mic started messing up when I went on both platforms. I guess I could stop TikTok, but I don't want to. Yep, you're right, persistent. What's up, Blue Tide Acrylic? Good morning, Jacob. Parents, go over to TikTok. I don't want to hear any whining. Rocket, go over to TikTok. I don't want to hear any whining. What's up, Haroon? I haven't seen you in forever. What's that name? Where'd he go? Where Haroon? I haven't seen you in forever, Haroon. How have you been? Nice. Sound is much better, so. Yep. Again, no whining on TikTok, or no whining. Just no, I don't want to hear it. Now, US30. Sell stop to the 10-second blue line. US30. 1 minute buy stop. US30. 1 minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line. It's free money. My signal that I gave out through the email yesterday has netted over 2,500 pips and going. Good morning, Solid Soul. How have you been, brother? Good morning, Solace. NAS. Let's whip through it, shall we? You can look for a 1 second sell stop on NAS. You can look for a 5 second sell stop on NAS. I don't trade sell stops on the indices. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. Oh, hold on. I'm going to go to YM. Hold on. I want to make money. I want to show you guys something. It's just doing the opposite. That's all it's doing. YM. I refer to him as easy. 1 minute buy stop. YM. Love the trade. Take profit 40,084. I love the take profit too. 40,117 on YM. Love this trade. Next, YM is a 12-hour daily sell. YM is a 12-hour daily sell. Here's your take profit, 36,000. Better, the only one I would take this long term would be the weekly buy. Love the weekly buy for YM. Take profit 1, 41,600. Take profit 2, 42,700. I love take profit 3, 43,600. Take profit 4, 45,000. NAS. I love the weekly daily buy on NAS. Absolutely adore it. Best trade ever. 19,200. Take profit 1. 19,900. Take profit 2. 20,500. Take profit 3. 21,300. Take profit 4. 22,400. Take profit 5. There's also a 12-hour daily sell. Sell. Take profit 1. 15,640. I don't trade those. I'm going to go down here to the 1 minute, and I'm going to find you a 1 minute buy. 1 minute buy stop. Love it. Let it go down. See, by the way, 1 second sell to the blue line hit. 5 second sell to the blue line hit, and that is NAS. You made money on both. Now, buy stop. This is a stop 1 minute for NAS. Take profit 1, 18,774. Take profit 2, 18,789. Take profit 3, and I love this take profit, 18,802. Love the 1 minute buys, and that is NAS. You can do the sell to the 10-second blue line now if you'd like. Yeah, you can do a 10-second sell to the 10-second blue line. Feel free, knock yourself out. I'm not trading any sells with the indices. I might do a 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, that kind of thing, but no, I'm not doing that now. NQ1. NQ1 is a 10-second sell to the blue line. NQ1, go down here. I'm not trading. You guys can if you like it. I much rather and only will trade this buy. It's gorgeous. Buy stop NQ. Buy Q, take profit 1. I love take profit 2. 18,908. I love take profit 3. 18,923. Love Q. Also, there is a 12-hour daily sell on NQ. You can trade this if you want. Going down to 16,000. I don't like it. I love the weekly, 3 weekly buy stop. Love. You'll see take profit of 19,555 for NQ. You will see, absolutely see 19,869. We're going to go up to here. 21,500 NQ. That's your take profit for a weekly. You will see records. You will see within the next, I don't care, week to 2 years, you will see record highs on US30, YM, NAS, NQ, and SPX and ES1. SPX 500. Buy stop. Take profit 1. Weekly. 5,590. Take profit 2. 5,710. 5,853. And this is the best. Take profit 6,000. You will see SPX go over that. If you prefer to do sells like some idiot, I don't know if that's what you want to do and be a silly person. There you go. It'll go down to 4,600 on a 12-hour daily sell. Will it? I don't know, and I don't care. Do I believe it will? Yes, it will. I don't care if it does or doesn't. I'm more interested in the SPX 1-minute buy stop that is forming currently. Buy stop SPX 1 minute. This is a fantastic buy stop. Take profit 1. 5,414. Take profit 2. 5,418. I love the trade. If you prefer to do the sells, you can go down here to that 5-second. You can look for a 5-second sell stop to the blue line. Then you'll see a 10-second sell stop to the blue line. Will I trade those? Absolutely 100% not. ES1, it's in the game. ES1 is a 1-second, 5-second sell stop. ES1. I would never trade. ES1 is strictly a buy stop for the rest of its life until I tell you otherwise. ES1 is a 1-minute buy. I love this take profit here, and I love 448 take profit. Absolutely adore it. ES1 is also a 12-hour daily sell stop. ES1 will go back down and has before to 48 and will go lower this time. I prefer never to do a sell on any indices for the 15th millionth time telling you. I only look for buys. Take profit 1, 5,600. Take profit 2, 5,780. Take profit 3, and I love this take profit 3, 6,000. And that is ES1. Gold. Gold is strictly a buy, but it's going to be going down. I told you it was too high. It had to level out and come down. Why did I know that? Because the weekly pink line will eventually come down. It will come down here. What it does, we'll be getting into gold again. But for now, let gold come down to the yellow right here and move downward. We have the sell stop, blah, 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 sell to the 5-minute. Let's go to the 10-minute. See. I never take this. I've called correctly gold for the last 3 years, never missed one call. Here's a sell stop if you want to take it. Gold, sell to 3,300. I would never touch this sell stop. Feel free to take it if you want. If you want to be a silly person, knock yourself out. It's forming for us is a 2-hour buy stop. Yeah, it's going to be a 2-hour, 3-hour buy stop. I love this buy stop on gold. It's fantastic. Take profit 1, 3,359. Gold, take profit 2, 3,397. Take profit 3. I love this take profit 3 on gold. This is a fantastic take profit. 3,434. Also, gold will go up past 30 again. And that is gold. Now let's go up to gold and see the higher time frames. Yeah, it's just too far away right now. I wouldn't touch gold with a 10-foot pole, even though I'm in a trade. A long-term trade from January up $600-700 an ounce, and I still wouldn't touch this trade. It is just too high. Gold, for my purposes of trading, will need to come back down to somewhere around that 3,000, 3,100 mark, somewhere around 100 mark. I would prefer, if we ever get lucky, I'd prefer to come down around 2,500. But again, I'm going to wait to re-enter another trade. And this was called out and drawn out months ago, back in November. I told you this would come down. I told you we're going to trade it up. I told you back this in October and November and December of January. And now it's gone up exactly where it's supposed to. It will hook, come back down again, and come back up. Let me draw out those for you here. I'm going to do this right. That's what it's going to do. Let's go over to NQ1. Let's see which one is hit. Let's go over to that. And let's, there you go. NQ1 hit its 5-second blue, no, 10-second blue line. It hit its 10-second blue line. If you wanted to take those trades, you could have. I don't trade the sells. 99% of the time, I don't take the sells. And that is NQ1. You're welcome. Another successful trade. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Now, hopefully that was helpful to everybody.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Let's see what we got. Sounds much better. Good morning, Solid Soul. Good morning, Dwayne Reed. Rocket, TikTok, Sports Chinese. Rocket. Well, you're lost, Rocket, because everything you do supports the Chinese. If you have a phone, you're supporting the Chinese. If you've bought anything in your world that you have in your house or anywhere else, you're supporting the Chinese. If you have anything at all, anywhere in your whole entire car, you're supporting the Chinese. Any microchips, you're supporting the Chinese. Any app, you're supporting the Chinese. NAS, here we go. Let's see what NAS is doing. Yep, NAS is hitting its 10-second blue line. You're welcome. This will now turn to red. You'll see this over here flip, and this will turn to red. Probably the next 10 seconds, maybe. I don't really care. Again, we don't trade them. What's up, George Strait? What's up, buddy? He always has good energy. Good morning, Techman. What's up, Techman? What's up, George Strait? What's up, Stacy Ocho? What's up, Rocket and Dwayne Reed? What's up, peeps? Yes, I'm calling out the sells as accurately as I call out the buy. Actually, sells are my easiest thing I always did. But no, I'm not going to continue to trade those. I'm waiting for the buy. I don't care. Let them all flip over. They can go all straight down today. Open on TikTok. What? Okay. I don't see it. That's good. Morning, my brother. Good morning, my brother. Good morning to you. We're calling out sells to the 10-second blue line again on as you can watch it. You're about to see. You're about to see. Yep, there it goes down. You're going to see this pink cross this blue. This gap will fill in and it will go down towards that blue line. Well, actually, it's going to go past it. It's going to touch it. So you have a touch past it. And let me see where we're at on US30. 10 seconds already passed the 10-second. Let me see where we're at SPX. And it's going to go and do the exact same thing to SPX. Right down. You see that touch? See that touchdown right there? You see this flip over to red if we can get it to go a little. Nope. Just to go a little bit further down. Let me go over NQ1 maybe. See it there. It's going to be soon though. Let me see it NAS. I would never sell ever. I'm only looking for buy. It's going to hook and go back down. I'm only looking for buy. Stop price action will go below that blue. This will come below this yellow. This pink line will hook and come back down. This will turn to red. There you go. There you go. Let's see. SPX is, yeah, right to its second blue line. Perfection. As called out, as told you, was going to happen before. I'm not taking any of these sells. I'm strictly looking for US30 YM buy. Strictly looking for buy. Let it go down further. It goes down to 190 at the May. It's just doing the opposite of what it did yesterday. Easy peasy money. Easy peasy money. Just take any of, there's a 1-minute buy stop at US30, for instance, you can take. Feel free. Take it. All right. I correctly called out UAYM, NAS, NQ, SPX, ES, gold, and let's take a look at, I already called Bitcoin, did I not? Let's call it again. Called, let's see where Bitcoin is going and heading. Obviously, it's a sell stop. It's going to the 1 minute. I would never take a sell stop on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going down to its 1 minute blue line. Take profit of 92,845. I don't care. Bitcoin's a forever buy and so forth. Even though it's a shitty coin and it's worthless, it's still a forever buy because of the long-term 6-month, 12-month outline system. Bitcoin will and eventually go past 93,670 to take profit 1 on a 10-minute buy. I love take profit 294,166. Once you get to 95,000, which we're going to have to go up a little bit here, I'll show you where. There we go. It'll go past 95,000. Bitcoin will go past 100,000, past 100. Remember when I'm telling you this? Remember when everybody's jumping back on the Bitcoin wagon when I've been telling you where Bitcoin's going down and up. Remember this. Bitcoin will go up 100, past 105,000, past 110, past 115, and past 120. But you guys have short-term memory issues. I'm calling the same exact thing for XRP. XRP is a permanent buy. We are in a 5-minute, 30 second. Go to 30 second. 30 second sell stop XRP. Take profit one, $2.24. But I'm telling you, it is a perpetual and forever until further notice buy, 5-minute buy. You guys can do whatever you want with XRP. I'm telling you exactly where it's going. And I was right, by the way. XRP, let's take a look at XRP because I believe we have a whole shit ton of take profits correctly. Let's take a look. XRP, $1.95, take profit 1 hit, take profit 3 hit, take profit 4 hit. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. All take profits hit, and then there's more coming. I keep telling you where XRP is going. Take profit $2.30. Let's take profit. We'll go past $2.50. Let's go upwards. Shall we? I love and adore $2.07, $2.50. That's where XRP is going. It is a matter of if, it's a matter of when. You will see this pink on the weekly plus the purple up to the orange. You will see this on the weekly. The green will go up past the yellow. You will see price go up past this orange EMA, period. There is no questioning what I'm telling you. That's what's going to happen. Now, it will go up here and here eventually also. You will see XRP past $3.40, past $4. That is XRP. That is Bitcoin. I'm not telling you like it may be or could be. I'm telling you exactly what's going to happen weeks and months before. I'm not pretending. I'm calling this out live on 1 second, 5 seconds. I'm telling you what's happening longer term. I'm telling you what's happening medium term. There is no stuttering in my voice. There is no maybe, could be, would be, possibly. It's 100% factual. What I'm telling you, take it to the bank, demo bank only.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Never will be, never want to be. Don't give two shits about being a financial advisor. All right. Everyone got those call outs? Sevens, if you got those call outs. Good morning, Stacy Ocho. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, George. Good morning, Mr. C. Without even open trading view. Nice, Mr. C. Mr. C's just listening to my calls. That's funny. Good job, Mr. C. Patrick Fletch. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube, everybody on Facebook Live, everybody on Twitch, Twitter, and X. I'm everywhere. Can't get rid of me. I've been doing this for 3 years. When I make my calls, there is no misunderstanding. I can't tell you with Eric Hartman authority, there isn't the silliness of maybe, could be, would be. I'm telling you exactly what's going to happen, even though I don't trade it. Sell stop to the 15-second US30. Sell stop to the 15-second YM. Sell stop to NAS's. Let me see. No, 15-second. Sell stop, and I called 10-second, by the way, on NAS and the 5-second. Sell stop towards the NQ1 15-second blue line. My system is the only system on Earth that has it. It tells you. This is a bullseye. This blue line right here, 15 seconds sell stop. Then you will see this all drop, and then later today you'll see the 1 3-minute, 5-minute kick in for the buy stops. I think it's going to do it before market open, actually. ES1, it's in the game. ES1 is a sell stop to the 10-second blue line. Look, let's go over to 10 seconds. See? Yeah. Oh, it's right there. It's going to go underneath it right now. It's going to hook up. Purple's going to come up, blue's going to come up. You're going to see price action, hook up, hook, and come back down. You want me to draw it out for you for those of you who can't hear? Watch. I'm going to do this right there. Oopsie. Where's my choice? Right here's do this. I'll come back down and do that. This is going to fill in. This is going to come down. Like you're going to see price action, hook, and come through like that. Told you. And then this is going to do that right there. And then you're going to see this turn to red, which it just did. Next stop, this will turn to red. It's right there. And there you go. And that's what's going to happen for ES1. It's in the game. PX is going to do the exact same thing on SPX. You're going to see the 15-second fall. In my opinion, I think you will actually go. Yeah, it'll go down there. And again, this is nothing more. An overnight reversal. It does it every day. Whether it's up or down, same exact thing. I don't understand how you guys don't see these patterns. Or you guys just don't see patterns? I don't know. Maybe I see patterns. All right. Techman Sevens, Patrick Fletch, Dry Edwards, Jose. What's up, Jose Luis? Good morning, Jose. Jose, we've called out and made money already on demo money only on US30, YM, NAS, NQ, SPX, ES1. It's in the game. And then we called out gold, Bitcoin, XRP, XLM. I haven't called out. I'm going to skip. Let's go to Nike. Nike. Let's see. It's been called by my system. It has. Look at all that effing money. You go, Nike. Nike is actually a sell stop to the 15-second bleep, $58.35. But you never play a sell stop on Nike. Never, ever play a sell stop on Nike. Nike is strictly, and look how it went yesterday, as I told you, Nike strictly play any buy stop you can find. What is a buy stop? You may be wondering the question. Green, red, green, buy stop. I'm not teaching that now. Is there any this morning, by the way? Is there any, good morning, Precious? Is there any news this morning? Is there any news this morning? I'll wait. Any news, please let me know. And by news, I mean CPI, NFP. I don't FOMC, but that's on the afternoons anyway. So basically CPI, sometimes PPI, definitely CPI and FOMC. Oh my goodness. And NFP. That's the only news I care about. Safe travels today. Flash PMI at 9:45. I don't care about that. Thank you, though, Techman. That's very nice of you. Thank you, Techman. All right. Now, where am I at? Nike. Nike is a buy. Nike has gone from okay to my book to the strongest possible buy recommendation I can give. Period. So Nike is a buy. Let me show you why Nike is a buy. Nike is a buy because I just back 12-month pink line is low. Price action is touching its yellow. That is just so good. Look, on the 6-month pink line low, gap touching the red. This is so strong of a buy. I love Nike right now. This is amazing. Pink line crossing the purple about to happen. This is a 3-month, 6-month buy. Now, what does that mean? The last time there was a 3-month, 6-month buy, I don't even see one. So if I had to go here, it would be right here. The last time it did this, it took from July 16, it took 5 years for this trade to fully develop. 5 years. I would take, let me be clear on this Nike one so there's no misunderstandings. Let me be clear on this. Nike is a 3-month. Okay, that didn't work out at all. 3-month yearly buy stop. What does that mean? Take any demo 30-minute buy stop. Holy shit, I'm telling you, this will go up. It got a little more down. I get it. Let me rephrase that because someone's going to have a heart attack. It has a little more down. So don't have a heart attack. But it will go up for the next 3 to 5 years. Years. Let me be clear on this. Years. One more time. Okay? You are going to make a lot of money if you take these 30-minute buy stops. 7s if you understand what I'm saying, 9 if you don't. 8:45 that counts. 9:45 Eastern. I like 9:45 Eastern. Only Eastern. I only do Eastern. Only PMI. Don't care. That already happened. They do have new home sales at night. I don't care about that, Matt, but thank you. I only care about 2 newses, only so I can make money off the idiots, because they'll do the opposite. So I'll be able to make a lot of money for you guys if we do that. Demo money. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, Matt. Thank you, Michelle, Larry Cooper, Tarai Edwards. Yeah. There you go. All right. So that's Nike. This is my call out for my free email yesterday. This is incredible. Just incredible. I swear, I don't think I've personally seen a 200 pip day on US 30. 20 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips, all the time, 150 pips. But it was closer, I think, to like a 250 pip day. That's just incredible. Fucking incredible. Absolutely incredible. All right. Does anybody have any questions over anything before I do Target and J&J? Anybody have any symbols they want me to look at before I do these? Little nervous going over there. Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? You hear it? Look, there's your alert. Bitcoin, baby. Let's go and see what it's doing. Oh, geez. Bitcoin going up. Take profit hit for Bitcoin. All right. Now, where were we? She's having a great breakfast. All right, 8 o'clock. NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange. But that's US 30. We've been calling it. Bandit Trader. Good morning, Coach. You're welcome. All right. No. data here. Yeah. Why not? Why is there no data on this? I would just play it as US30 to be honest with you. That's just me, though. They're always any stock exchange. You can go to the Japan 225. It's the exact same thing you see on ours. German 30 is the exact much. If you go over to German 30, it's the exact same as ours. There's no difference. They can't do anything. They won't do anything different. The market, it just rules everything. Don't even get me started on England, Britain's one. It's word for word ours. Da, 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 da. You want GME? GME. GameStop. My brother-in-law said I told him to buy GameStop. I said, no, fuck, I didn't. So anywho, we must have misunderstood something because there's no way. Now, let's look at GameStop. All up, 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 up. That's really good. Let me go over here to the weekly. Yeah, it is a weekly buy stop. Look, this is back on 12/17. Daily, 3-month buy stop. Take profit 1. Look at all my little take profit 1s. Look at this shit. Yeah, GameStop is a buy. Take profit 1, $33. Take profit 2, $47. Take profit 2, $63. $65. If you go, okay, hold on. NQ. You see the alert here? Oh, it just went away. NQ. Let's go over to here and see what's going on. Look at that. Look at that, baby. I told you, I'm only sticking with buys. You guys do what you want to do. I'm sticking with buys. You guys trade however you want to trade. I'm telling you what to do. 1 minute buy stop. 3 minute buy stop. US30. 3 minute buy stop. YM. Easy. 3 minute buy stop. 100. 3 minute buy stop. NQ. 3 minute buy stop. SPX 500. 3 minute buy stop. ES1. It's in the game. I'm telling you what's going to happen. You guys trade whatever you want to do. You can trade those all downs. Feel free. I'm not. Da 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 da. All right, next, let's go to Target. Target, love Target, gorgeous. I still have some options open on Target. Get the sucker moving. All right, we can see clearly from my sniper rifle that it's above. We're going to go over here to the 10-minute. See what's up. Up at 15-minute. It's right to it. This is gorgeous. Yes. Buy stop. Take profit 1. I just love Target. This is fantastic. Take profit 1, $98. Take profit 2, $100. Take profit 3, $102. Take profit whatever. Watch this. There you go. This is Target, baby. Love this. $105, $110. Let's keep on keeping on. Yeah, I know we got to get past this, don't we? Like, problem with Target. It's still a little bit of a sell right there. We're going to skip over that. 3 monthly buy stop Target. I love this trade. Take profit, whatever it is, 120. Take profit, 136. You will see Target go back to 165. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Then Target will go over 200, 230, and over 270. So where's it at right now? Oh, yeah. This should end up being a triple banger for you. 3 times your money. That's what this should end up being for you. Wow. You go, little Target. I love Target. The most important indicator in the history of the world when it comes to trading stocks. If this 3-month blue pink line is low, heading to this orange blue line right here, Q are going to print money with this thing. Target will keep making money. The last time it did it was right here at $62. It did it back in July of 2017, and it went up for 4 years. Target will be going up for 2 to 4 years. Have fun with that one. All right, I do want to do J&J because I love J&J, and CVS has been kicking ass ever since I called it. You've made so much money. Oh, this is so big. Okay, I'm skipping to CVS. CVS, all take profits have already been hit. This is just, look at this. Look at this. They couldn't draw this out any better. But right here, watch. Pink line. Right, watch this. Gee, I wonder what that looks like to anybody. So right, so green is up, red is down. Green is up, but red is down. Gee, I wonder what that anybody. I'm wondering if this right here looks like anything, and I can do you even one better. Watch this. I'm going to do you guys. Oh, leave it there then. Okay, so this is these are all your little signs. Now watch, these are the rules once you know how to actually trade. It will go up past this yellow. It will go up past this orange. It will go up past the middle of these two. So those take profits. Take profit 1, $72. Well, actually take profit 1, 2, 3, and 4 have already been hit. Take profit whatever, $72 on CVS. Take profit that it's going to go up past a matter of time. It's not going to go down. $84. Take profit whatever, $108. You will see CVS go up past them. Now let's go back. We haven't done J&J yet. See my little alert going off? For NQ1, let's see what NQ, and then we're going to come back. NQ1, let's go down here. There you go. NQ1, look at the 1-minute buy stop paying off, the 3-minute buy stop paying off. All indices are they're actually 3-minute buys. All indices, US30, YM, NAS, NQ, SPX, and ES are all 3-minute buy stops. And you're all in the money, I might add. You see this right here? So here you go. Take profit 1 was hit. 2 is now hit. Take profit 2 is hit for NQ1. Let's go to SPX. Yep, you have plenty of time to make money on this. It will be going to 5,415, period. Let me go over to ES1. You have plenty of time for this. Take profit 1 on this is 5,440. So we're hearing those ding, ding, dings going off shortly. Let's go over to YM. Yep, same exact thing. They all do. So I get one to get very in, and I love it when they do, because that gives us way more buying opportunity. US30, have tons of time to take this trade. I told you what it's going to do before it happens. There you go. Now let me go back to J&J, Johnson & Johnson, which was my favorite, and it still is, but we're going to go ahead and delegate it to a little bit below Nike and Target. It's a 30-second sell. Let me go to the 1 minute. Yeah, it's going to hit. It's already there virtually. Sell stop to the 1 minute blue line, J&J. I would never take a sell stop to the line on J&J. Never, ever, ever. But for those of you who are stubborn and want to learn the hard way, feel free to do whatever you want. Let's see, do we have a 30-minute buy? We're a 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy stop, J&J. I was trade. It's a fantastic trade. One, $157. Take profit 2, $158. It will go past $158.50. Matter of factly, let's go way up here where I'd love to look at J&J and all stocks. It is just so gorgeous up here for this thing. This is a monthly 3. I love this trade. J&J take profit 162. It will go up and past 170, and then 180, and then 200, and that is J&J.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Money on NQ. You're welcome, Matt. Thank you for speaking up and saying so. So happy for you guys. I hope all of you guys on your Top Step and funded trader accounts are all making money. I hope everyone that's listening is making demo money. It is so much fun to help you guys make money. Okay, that is J&J. I love J&J. I love Target. I love Nike. I love CVS. L's good. I think L still has a little bit more time to go, but L is also a 6-month buy stop. L will, oh yeah, look, it's already going. Look at that. L is a buy stop. Let's see. It's already past 10. L is a buy stop to 15 minute, $59 take profit, $62 take profit for L, $67 take profit for L, $75 take profit for L, $110 take profit. I'm telling you, L is extremely good. AMD, I'm not going to call. Verizon's good. AMD is good. SMI is good. Ethereum is good. How's Ethereum doing? I think Ethereum's going up. Ethereum must be happy. Oh, look at that. That's called out. Ethereum hit its 30-minute blue line. It will hit its 1-hour blue line. Take profit on a 1-hour buy stop. 1852. Take profit 2. 2100. Take profit 3. 2300. Take profit 4. 2500. And you already know Ethereum. Love it. And that's Ethereum. So that's enough call outs. All done with the call outs?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Does anybody have any other questions? Any other things? I'm going to go over a little teaching right now for you guys. I'm going to teach you how I was able to make and send out an email. What was that email, by the way? Let's be clear on that. That email was a 30-second. I don't care if there's any news, useless news. I'm not trading and I'm not looking at it. That beautiful face, Precious. So precious, so beautiful, so kind. All right, where are we at? That's not what I wanted. Where's the? Well, how do I know what the? That's stupid. Hold on. Hold your horses. Things that make you say, Why doesn't it tell me the name of this email? Huge profits, not what I want to see. No, not what? Okay, no, I'm having trouble finding it. Let me go under my other one. Oh yeah, demo buy stop towards 3-minute blue line. There you go. That's what it is. I sent that out on, what time was that? Well, it was a day ago. I know that. That would have been probably around 5 in the morning, 5 a.m.-ish. But yeah, it's okay. Where is my? Oh, we don't need that. Sorry. All right. Dan, 2 purchases. Oh, nice. Or renewed. Oh, Raider Trader renewed. You go, buddy. Yay. All right. If anybody has any questions or concerns before I get started on training, let me know. We just made shit tons of money on US30, Yeezy, YM, NAS, NQ, SPX, and ES1. It's in the game. We just made all kinds of money on those, thank God. Now, if you're still wanting to trade, let me know. If you have any questions, concerns, or problems, let me know. Give me just 1 second. I haven't done any training in a very long time. There. Little face. All right. No questions. Anything over there? Thanks, Coach. You're welcome, Larry. All right. So how did I make a 3-minute call and turn it into 1,500 pips, which is 15,000, right? No. How many pips is that? It's outrageous how many pips that is, though. I don't know. And then ticks, I should say. 800 pips on NAS, 200 pips on SPF. Amazing what you're looking at. It's crazy. All right. So let's go over some training. For those of you who think you know it all, great. If you don't think you know it all, that's great too. You might as well learn something. If you think you know my system perfectly, I guess you don't need the training. I know of no one that knows the system perfectly. Tommy might, but other than that, I don't think there's anyone out there that actually does. Da 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 da. All right. Cheap viewers. How about your blogs? Here you go, cheap viewers. All right, now, what symbol would you guys like me to train you on? Pick any symbol on Earth as long as it's a reasonably good symbol. I'm not going to listen to bullshit. So what symbol would you like to be trained on? How did I know NAS, SPX, NQ, and ES are following US30 to the 30-minute blue line today? That might be a question. What symbol would you guys like? I can train you on any of the bigger symbols. I'm not going to look at no shit-ass symbols. Don't ask for something that's obscure. I'm not doing it. Da 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 da. NAS. All right, let's do NAS, says Larry Cooper. For Larry, anything. And by the way, just so we're all on the same page, NAS and NQ1 are the exact same. NAS and NQ1 are the exact same. NAS and NQ1 are the exact same. For those of you trading Apex or Tops or any of those funded trader things, they're exactly 100% the same thing. Okay, so there you go. Look at Bandit Trader. Let's type out the word 7. The number 7, if you understand that NQ1 and NAS are exactly the same thing. Let me be clear. Let me be really clear. Type out. Oh, geez, come on now. Type. I swear to God, he just said it when I did it. Type out a 7 if you understand NAS and this is the first thing. NQ1 are the exact same thing. I can't be any clearer. Okay, and that goes for SPX and ES1. It's so weird when it comes to funded trader people. It's so weird. hit some stuff in his head. NQ1, NQ1. Let's go to NQ1. G, NQ1 is going up. Take profits are hit. NQ1 is up. Gee whiz, guys. I wonder if there's anybody here that called me 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minute, 5. And anyone at all. Anyone, look, you hit the one. I told you where it was going. There it is. You take profit off the orange line, NQ1. Take profit, NQ1. Let's see if NAS is doing the exact same thing, shall we? Look at that. NAS is going up the exact same time. Look at that. Interesting. Gee, I wonder if SPX is doing it. Oh, yep, there you go. I wonder if there's someone here who said you still had time to take the SPX trade, to take the 3 minute, 5 minute NAS trade, to take the 3 minute, 5 minute ES1 trade. Anyone here you know that was telling you guys this? Gee, I wonder if there's anyone here you know that told you there's your SPX. I told you. There's SPX. There's SPX. There. Good morning, TIGB. Good morning. It's my time. There's SPX. There's SPX going on. Who told you before? Good morning, Sally. Who told you before it happened? Who told? Listen to all the money. Let the money talk. Gee, I wonder if it happened on YM. Look at that. You had time to do this. I told you had time. I showed you had time. I told you where it was going. I didn't stutter. I didn't talk with meekness. I told you with authority what this was going to do. I told you I wasn't taking the sells. I told you I was only taking the buys on the indices. I clear with everything I told you. Just look. There you go. There's SX crossing. And look at SPX crossing. Look at it. Look at it. There it is. There. Look, wait. Here's another one. Here's YM. There's your YM crossing. Look. There it is. YM. There it is. There's your alert. Can't say it's not there. There it is. Can't say I didn't tell you it was going to go up past the orange because there it is. There's your take profits on all 6 indices. All take profits hit. Please say thank you, God. Please say sevens or please say yeses. I would like to see a shit ton of those on TikTok and YouTube. Everything I called you, it had zero drawdown on your YM. You had zero. Look at ES1. You would have had little to zero drawdown at ES1. You had none. Your buy in when it hooked. Got a orange line right here. Nothing but profit. You would have passed every funded trader account with your NQ. Don't give me any shit. This is 100% told you so. If I can do it, you can do it. Head over to safetytrade.com and buy the system. If I can do this every morning without fail, calling it out with 100% accuracy, the least you guys can do is call it out every once, maybe 80% of the time accurate. Look, there's pricing went up over there. That is on ES1. It's in the game. SPX. This is SPX. Let's be clear. SPX is the same as ES1. You can clearly see the green, red buy stop. You would have gotten in here. You would have had zero drawdown. It would have right up to the orange line. That's SPX. Look at NQ1. NQ1, green, red. That's your high value trade setup. Green, it would have hit on that orange. You would have had zero drawdown. It went up to this line. All 100% take profit, zero drawdown. Look at US30 being called. Look, here's US30. There's US30 being alerted. There it is going up. I told you all this. For those of you who don't understand simple English, which of these objects are orange and round? Which of these objects has feathers? What the fuck is this shit? Wow, there's a weird. All right. So how many pips would you have made on this trade that I called out live with zero drawdown on US30. Let's take a look. This one here, it is still going. Look at it. It went up 75 pips. So look at it. There it is. There's the alert. There it is going up. So let's hear some sevens, demo money only, odds, yeses. Look at the money. There's only 4 of you. I'm leaving in 2 seconds. If only 4 of you said thank you and yeses, I'm leaving in 2 seconds. You're better a hell of a lot more than that. Look at it go up. Before you're green, green, red, green, green, buy stock. Look at it. Look at it. ES1 crossing. How many of these do I have? Let's go over to the one that has everything. Here we go. Let's open up. Let's go over to the 3-minute, shall we? Go to 3-minute. We're going to go to 3-minute. We're going to go. These are all the indices that we trade all at once. I feel like I'm the theory of everything. All right, let's go over to here. Now, let's go. Why is it taking so long? All right, here we go. This is what you're looking at. Let me be clear with uttering or anything for you. Let me be clear as clear it could be. What's going on around here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. All right, there we go. Now watch. I'm going to show you on every symbol. I'm going to teach you all at once. Here you go. This is going to be a class for all. Look, all of these are your high probability setup that look, they're all the same. These are all different symbols. They're all the same setup. Look at it. One of these are the same. I'm going to teach you on all 5 of these symbols right here. All at once, I'm going to teach you how to trade every one of these. This right here, you can clearly see is US30. This right here is NAS. This right here is SP. This right here is, oh, no, I'm going to do it a little different. We're going to make this US30. We're going to make this NAS. I'm going to make this NQ. I'm going to make this SPX. I'm going to make this ES1. Now just look. Let me be clear on this. Look right here. Look. These are all the same. This is all the same. These are 5 different symbols. Look at US30 go up. Look. Look at all of them. I told you before it happened. Look at all. They're all identical. They're all green, 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 red. They're all the pink, blue. Look at your cyclist. This is all you. I'm going to teach you how to trade all of these symbols at once. Just like I did. Listen to the things going on. Listen to the things. You want to learn how to trade for one symbol, right? Look at it. Good morning, old school Nick. Good. Congratulations, $1,100 banked for you. Mr. C, $1,265 banked for you. Congratulations, Mr. C. Congratulations, Matt. Doughboy, printing money. Congratulations. Now look, let's start with the basics. Let's type out the number 7. Do you understand that we have right here, we have 5 different symbols. US30, NAS, NQ1. Okay, now hold on, I'm going to make this different for you guys. You can't screw it up. Watch. These are your symbols right here. Can we do this right here? Sure. This is US30. This is NAS. This is NQ1. This is SPX. This is ES1. It's in the game. Okay. These are the 5 symbols. Inside my white thing is the action. Okay. I'm trading all of these symbols as one. They all do the same thing. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy. green, 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 red, green, 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 red, green, green, black, green, 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 red, green, green, black, green, 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 red, green, green, black. All of them have the same high probability trade setup as ChatGPT says. These are them. These are them. This is okay. This is if you no sniper needed. Had some silly person try to say, "Well, you get a sniper, you don't need a sniper. I just show you how to do it without a sniper. It's right there, and I'll teach you it." If you have the sniper, look at the exact same thing. This is so wild to me. Look at how powerful this sniper is. You would never trade without the sniper. It's too freaking accurate. Watch this shit. Pink across the blue is low. Pink cross 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 the blue is low. And you have the purple. Following. The sniper is so fucking accurate. That's how we can call these trades out. Look at them all. They all went up to their orange line. Take profit one, take profit one, take profit one, take profit one. How do you spot the trade? It's in the game. Just crashed up. How do you spot? So this is a setup. We literally just trade this. I literally called this out. We're literally in the money. I literally just called this trade live. Okay? So how was I able to do it? Well, we can go back in time. It's amazing. And I'm going to go back in time. We're going to use the playback feature of trading. I'm going to use it on this one right here. We're going to go back in time. And I'm going to show you how it looks while we trade all the other symbols. Okay, now watch. This is so easy. I just love doing this. All right. This is back in time. Pink hasn't crossed the blue yet. You can see green, 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 red. And then the future are all of these, how it played out. Okay. Are you all with me? Yes or no? We're going to use US30 as our one. We're going to trade and show and trade all these other symbols at the same time. This is US30 right here. As NQ, SPX, and ES1. This is going to be an extremely good training here, by the way. Yes, you understand that we're looking at US30 back in time. Yes, you understand that we're going to be applying it to these other four symbols. We're looking at US30 back in time right here. Okay. Larry Cooper says yes. TGID says yes. Doughboy says yes. Matt says yes. Okay, good. All right, so here we go. When we see this pattern, I'm going to pull this up for you. Watch. When we see this pattern, you need just the core system with the VS detector. Some lazy ass, some member of mine who wrote an email yesterday, shall remain nameless, said, "Oh, I can't make any trades without any sniper." Bull fucking shit. You can make all the trades you want with green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. This is what it looks like, okay? I'm going to use Mike Glowinski. He used to be a swimmer, actually. Mike Glowinski was a swimmer in high school. I remember him and Michelle Summit. They're going to look at right here. You see the red going down. This is Mike Glowinski trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool and pick up a coin. This is Mike Glowinski trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool to get a coin. This is Mike Glowinski trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool to get a coin. This is Mike Glowinski trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool to get a coin. This is Mike Glowinski trying to dive down. Why is that the case? Because red, watch, here you go. How to trade any symbol, any time frame. Red equals down, green with too many things equals up. Here you go. So Mike Glowinski is equivalent of this red part of the histogram trying to go down. Over 93% of all traders would think this is a sell. We do not get suckered in because we have the facts behind us. This is red equals down. Michael is trying to swim to the bottom of the pool here, okay? Does everyone understand the analogy? Good morning, Martin Lewis. Good morning, Martin. Does everybody understand this analogy? Good morning, Annie Apple. Yes or no? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Amy Lou. Okay, does everybody understand the analogy? Yes or no? Mike Lewinsky is trying to swim to the bottom of the pool on all 5 of these. Red equals down. You can clearly see the back of time here. This is US30. You can see that. This is him trying to swim down. I'll wait for people on Facebook to respond. Okay, let's see. All right, we have 2 people. That's pretty good phone. How many people are watching now? All right, here we go. All right, now. He's trying to go down. Is there anyone new here? Anyone that has not bought the system? Let me be specific. Has anyone listening not bought the system yet? Is any one of you listening have not bought the system yet? Has any one of you listening not bought the system yet? I'll wait. Larry said buy the system. I agree with you. Okay. HS Malls bits. We'll just say HS. HS is new here. So watch. HS is stumbled upon the life-changing thing or stumbled upon. Here you go. So HS, that's one of my indicators. That's red, right? Over here, you're going to see these 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to be real direction bar number 3. We literally have HS pushing up against Mike Lewinsky from trying to go down. Okay. Then we have TGIB pushing up. That's the second indicator. That's another line. It's green. It means up. And then we have Sean. Real direction bar number 1 is green means up. See over here, green means up. So we have 3 people pushing up while Mike Lewinsky is trying to go down to the bottom of the pool. Above him, we have Larry Cooper is green. Boy is green. And we have Martin Lewis right up here with this green line. So I have 3 more indicators above him. So someone to dive down. Mike Lewinsky's trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool. Sean, TGIB, and HS are all pushing up. And then we have Martin, we have Larry, and Joe Boy all pulling up. It's the same exact high probability setup on this one for NQ, on this one at the same time for SPX and ES1. I just traveled back in time for US30, but it's the exact same way. Now, let me go ahead and pull up a cute little thing that make you guys laugh. And I want to show you something. So watch. This right here, little video. Okay, and this little video is going to do something pretty dang on cool. I made it for children, but I love it for adults too. Watch. This right here is a pool. This is Mike Lewinsky swimming in the pool. He sees a gold coin. Look down here, you see the gold coin. There's light coming in right here. This is how you trade my system in simple little terms. This is his red shorts. He's trying to go down. These are green shorts. They're going to push him up. He's trying to get the gold coin. He can't do it. Above him are other 3 indicators. They're pulling up. They're pulling up Mike Lewinsky, pushing up Mike Lewinsky. The trade couldn't go. It could not have gone down. It had to go. It it did go up. So watch the trade again. This is Michael Lewinsky. Watch. He's diving down, trying to get to this gold coin, but nope. Here comes Sean. Here comes DGIB, and here comes HS. They're pushing up. Above him, you have three more indicators. They're pulling up. Mike Lewinsky can't go down. The trade can't go down. It has to go up, and it does go up. So watch. This is equivalent of this. Watch. This is the equivalent of Mike Lewinsky trying to go down. Watch. Here he is going down. Three people pushing up. See my indicators pushing up right there, the three indicators. There's three more indicators above. You see this right here? There's three more indicators above. Does anyone get the analogy? Yes or no? Do you get the analogy? Good morning, Dad, Bod, and Hot Rods. Good morning. Does everyone get this analogy? Yes or no? I can leave this play for the next hour. Yes, it's HS. Yes, it's Sean. Yes, it's Mr. C. Okay, cool. Now that is your analogy. It is 100% accurate. So watch what happens. That's how you spot the trade. When you see green, 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 red, green, green, you spot the trade. Now I'm going to help out the people who have the. I'm going to take a second. You don't need the sniper. I just showed you how to use it without it. Here you go. Yes, yes, yes. This is Mike Lewinsky. Okay, watch. Now this is with the sniper. The sniper is a little bit. Let's take this off a little bit. Okay. The sniper now is this pink thing down here. This right here, when it crosses, it tells you to do your entrance. So the sniper will have the pink and purple and blue line low every single time. So if you have the sniper, it's invaluable. We'll never trade without the sniper. It's really accurate. That's why it's called the sniper. Okay. So you can trade without it if you want to, but I don't. I always use the sniper. So this is how you spot the trade. If you can see the green, 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 red, pink, and blue line all low, green, green up here, that's how you spot the trade. Does everybody understand how to spot the trade? That's how you spot the trade. Next, how you actually trade it. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, cool. All right. So this is where we're at now. Now, that's how you do it. And this is, watch. This right here is how you actually trade the trade. Let's go in. Now we're on US30. Okay. We're on US30. We're back in time. Let's be specific. Let's zoom in. We went back just a few minutes ago when before I made my call and got you guys all kinds of money, right? I went right here. This is how you're going to trade this trade. You spot it how I taught you. You spot it by seeing green, 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 red, green, 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 green above this pink, purple, blue, all of. Okay, and this happens to be US30, and it happens to be a 3-minute buy stop. We're on 3-minute US30. Each candle is 3 minutes. Now, how do I trade this? I always try to wait the best I can for my orange line to go below the yellow, at least, preferably the green. Okay, we have our green, 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 red. We have our setup. I'm waiting for the orange line to go low. Now, I'm doing a playback feature, so I'm going to put my little buy line right here. This is called a buy stop. This is your entry. Okay, buy stop entry. Never do market orders. You're going to get your ass handed to you. Just do buy stops. You place it up here. When price is down here, you place your buy stop up here. So this is where I'll enter the trade. Okay. Does everybody understand the point of entry? Yes or no? Does everybody understand the point of entry? You do a buy stop pending order off orange line right here, off this orange line. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Amy Lou. Thank you, Annie. Thank you, HS. Malsbit. Okay, now look, once you have your entry point, and I'm probably going to have to jump this, I'm probably going to have to go in now and take a little eating, but this is your entry. Watch what happens. We go forward. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just take that entry because I can't put my buy stop here, but if it jerks up, I can't enter. So I'm just going to take the buy. Let me take the buy there. All right, so now we're in our buy. Let's move this over here. We're off the orange line. I prefer to go a little lower, but we can't always get it. So we're just going to do this live. All right. Green, 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 red. Pink hasn't crossed the blue yet, but it will. You see the entry here, right about there. And that's our, there's no change. Now, where do you put your stop loss at? On a 3 minute, this is where you're going to get a little tricky. You can do what's called pivot point. This will go down and come up over. I would get a point down here and come back up and over. Either or, fine. It's called a pivot point entry for your stop loss. So I'm going to mark this right here as my stop loss. And you need to use a stop loss. Don't trade with anybody that tells you use a stop loss. You need a stop loss. It won't stop all losses, but what it should do and help to do is stop you from losing your whole damn account. Oh, look, in the money on YM, you're in the money. Oh, look at this shit. You're in a lot of money. Oh, nice. Oh, what the hell? Things are rocketing upward. Okay, I'm in money on my two buys at the US 30.5 and US 31.0. Things must be going really high right now. Here we go. That's your stop loss. Does everyone get where to put the stop loss? You can put it here where it pivots, or you can put it from the lowest point on a 30-second, 5-second. I would say anything 3 minute under. I would go with the lowest point right before you do your pivot point stop loss that way. And that is where your stop loss goes. Okay. Now, we need take profits. So where do we put our take profits? Yes. Okay. Take profit 1 is off my yellow line. Take profit 2 is right. Take profit 3 at the top of this. And these are called take profits. And you're going to leave one open. Take profits. And then you let one run, baby. Leave a runner open. Okay. So this is take profit. What does that mean? When price action comes up and we hit this thing, we close one down, we close 2 down, we close third one down, we let one run. Okay. So that's what that means. So that's what we're looking at. This is the trade setup. This is how you trade. Your entries off the orange line. Your stop loss is off the previous possible low, especially for 3 minute under. And then your take profits are off the yellow, the orange, and the top of the price action previous. Does everyone get the setup? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. I'm going to wait. I need 7s for yeses, 9s for nos.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Go ahead and type out the number 7, please. If you understand the setup on how to take the trade. Please type out the number 7, please. Thank you. Please type out some more. Nice. Okay. All right. So if you all got that, nice. Okay. That is the setup. Now we're going to play out the trade and see how the trade goes. Here we go. We're going to go forward. We're going to go forward. I wonder if I can play this slow. Let's play it. All right. Now, it crossed right there. Your take profit 1 is hit. You can close down one trade. Definitely take profit 2 is hit. Shit. Okay, well, that went entirely too fast. Jesus, that thing flew by. At any rate, 100% win rate. That's all that matters. Don't worry about the dollar. Okay, so that's what it closes now. And that is how you take a trade with my system. Just like that. That's all you do. And see, it did go under. It did go under. Watch. That's annoying. Watch. See how the orange line went underneath the green? This is the perfect entry, would have been right here. Damn. Oh, and it's still going up. Holy shit, look at that go. Okay. Get out of here, TikTok. Go suck it. Fuck TikTok. All right, now, this is how you take the trade on US30. It's the exact same way you take the trade for all the 5 other symbols. Look. They're all the same exact setup. The high probability trade setup. Look at it. Green, 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 red. Buy stop. Buy stop, right? It doesn't end. Every one of these is the same. Watch. There we go. Look. US30, I just taught you with it. Did that training make sense to you guys? Yes or no? Simple little training. Huge results. Same for US30, same for, and they all happen at the exact same time. They're all going up. You can't deny it doesn't work because you're seeing it live. I called it before it happened. I told you had plenty of time to get in the trade. I traded it you, and now we got to hope for a pullback before market open in 26 minutes. Okay. Thank you, Larry, for the gifts, but you really don't need to give gifts to anybody. Just save your money. I promise you to save it. All right. Does anybody have any questions over that training? Anyone have any questions?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Does anybody have any questions? Does anybody have any questions? We might be getting a little pullback on US30. I'm going to go look. And that is called the buy stop. If you see this on any symbol, on any time frame ever, you're going to see it make money. This happens to be 3-minute ES1, for instance, right? 3-minute ES1. But guess what? If I go over to Bitcoin and I go over to 3 months, Bitcoin, open. Get out of here. Unoriginal content. I am this. I am the safety trade system. It's not unoriginal. I am the safety trade system. TikTok. Try that out for size. Anywho, you'll see the exact same thing off the 3-minute right here. By the way, it's also here. We don't have enough history to show you. This Bitcoin monthly. If you had my system, you could have got a Bitcoin monthly $1,000. Okay. How about XRP? Let's go to weekly. Here's an XRP weekly right here. You would have gotten into XRP, and my members did at 53 cents. Does it work on stocks? Yes, it does. We can go over to Nike right here. We can go over to a 3-month Nike. Exact same situation. Pink, purple, low. There's your red, and there it is. There's your buy stop. Nike, here's a free signal for you guys, is a buy stop. Take profit 182, take profit 396, take profit 4, and it will go here 125, demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah, they're saying, Larry, TikTok is saying that this is unoriginal content. I'm the fucking creator of the safety trade system. You couldn't get anything more original if I fucking created it, TikTok. How about that? I swear. Good thing I have fucking 20 accounts, well, 6 accounts. All right. So now I'm showing you 3-month Nike. What about Target? Let's go to Target. Let's go to 2 hour. And yes, it works on sells just because it does buy. So you're clear. You just want to get a nice clean one. There's all kinds right there. Using. So you're getting into smaller. There you go. You're getting into smaller times. It's a little different when you get smaller. You go quicker. Here's a stop right here on the 1 hour, a 2 hour Target. Here's a 2 hour buy stop on Target. Here's a 2 hour buy stop on Target. 1, 2, 3 of them. Boop, boop. These are broken bot ones. These are all. I'm not getting into teaching that. Not doing that. All right. So trade it. What about these 5-second trades I call? Surely you can't do 5-second trades. And my name is Durley, and yes, I can. And we do every morning. I'm on here. That's how I'm not able to make calls without any kind of drawdown. 5-second sell stop to the blue line. Take profit 1 US30. I would stop, but you guys can't. I would look up here and let's pray we get a nice little pullback, maybe a 1 minute here. Yeah, I'm going to go with a 1 minute buy stop US30 right here. Watch, you get to get into US30 and see this last time it did it and how it rose. Do it again. Hopefully right before market open. That really is. Take profit 1. It will go to 39,970. Take profit 2. There you go. And this is where you're at. Let me go to YM, or easy, I like to call it. Let's see. Crossing, there you go. Take profit 1, 40,112. You're going to see the same thing. Well, there you go. Let it go down. There you go. This is gorgeous right here. Follow this down. This is your US30 going down. Take profit, must hit it 10 seconds. Yep, it hit its 10 seconds line. Touchdown. US30 hits 10-second blue line. Gorgeous. Now let's go to our 1 minute. And there you go. We have an official 1 minute buy stop. Green, green, red. Blue still coming down, but we can put our take profits in. 39,925 for US30. Take profit 2. 39,950 for US30. Take profit 3, and it will go here. 39,974 for US30. Now let's go to YM, which will be the exact same thing. But I'll go ahead and call it out for you because some of you just don't get it. All right, take profit 1, 40,000, whatever the hell that is. I don't even know what happened. 40,103. It will go to 40,137. Why is it not taking that? There you go. For NAV, see if it's dipping also. Yes, big buy opportunity for NAS. Take profit 1, 18,800. Take profit 2, and it will go here, 18,831. I love this trade. Okay. Next, NQ1, which is the exact same thing. Gosh, I keep saying this. Take profit 1, 18,927. Take profit 2, and it will go here, 18,954. SPX. Take profit 1, 5,415. We'll go here, 5,422. ES1, take profit 1, 5,446. We'll go here, 5,451. And there you go. All right, those are 1 minute buys. If you don't like the 1 minute buys, I can drop down to these funds and start giving you some sells if you like. To the 10-second blue line, you will see this turn to red. I don't like taking the sells. Yeah, there you go. Buy. Let's see what happened here. Why I only do buys. 10-second. Looks like shit to me. I'm going to call it sell ricochet. 6-second blue line on YM. I'm glad we must hit something else. Oh, we did. We hit take profit 1. Take profit 1. That's it on US30. You're welcome. But again, I'm looking more for short-term sell back down to the line. This should turn back to red or short. Again, I wouldn't take these sells. It's just what's going to happen. This will fill in right here. This will come down. Price will come down. I'm not taking that trade. I'm going to wait patiently up here at that 1 minute, and I'm going to wait for my buy stops to engage right there. So all indices, sell stop to the 10-second blue line. All indices that we trade 1 minute buy stops to the 30-minute blue line of US30. I love the buy. Okay. Good morning, Adam. We're having fun this morning, making all kinds of money. Yeah, yes. Demo money only, of course.
Demo trade only.
I'm only going to be on for a few more minutes. About 17 more minutes. I'm going to be on for, I'll trade through open, and then I got to run. Got places to go. Well, one specific place to go this morning, most important place in the world. Does anybody have any questions or call outs? There literally is a 10-second sell all indices, 1 minute buy all indices. I would only do the 1 minute buy all indices. Then there is a 12-hour daily sell all indices. I wouldn't do that either. There is a weekly buy stop. I love the buy stops on all indices. That's how I would trade it. Never to sell unless it's a really, really short-term sell, like 30-second and under on the indices. Don't ever do a sell on the indices. Just don't do it. Beep, 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 peeps. You guys having fun this morning? Learning a few things? Making some demo money? Someone calling out calls? That sounds great to me, says Adam. There you go, Adam. All right, we're going to turn up our volume too so we can hear some of these ding, ding, dings this morning. A little live. It's 9:30 in the morning. People can get the fuck up. All right. Good morning, morning, Marley Mar. Good morning, Marley Mar. Good morning, Stacy. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Gadbot and Hot Rods, and Doughboy and Persistent, and Larry Cooper and Jose and Mike Lewinsky. Good morning, History and Wildlife Girl. That's the name. All right, be prepared. I am probably going to watch this. Which one do I like better? All of them. That's what I'm going to watch. All of them. Let's go over chart. All of these. Let's go over to 1 minute. There you go. NAS. There we go. There we go. Yeah, baby. There you go. Which one of these is NAS? I wonder. I'm going to put them up top. Let me just do this. This is US30. This is NASDAQ. This is NQ1. Listen to that money talk, peeps. SPX, baby. ES1. I hope you guys can hear it. It's so loud in here. If you can't hear that, it's crazy. What am I looking at. US30 in the money. Look, you in the money. NAS in the money. SPX in the money. All of them at the same time. Who else trades 5 and 6 symbols at once? All in the money. US30, NAS in the money. Look at this. SPX, oh, I'm sorry, NQ1, SPX, and ES1. I'm trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and technically YM2, but I don't have any space. I'm trading 5 symbols all at once. I just taught you this. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see what's doing. Oh, look at Bitcoin going up. What do you know? Gee, I wonder if anyone ever called out a 15-minute, 10-minute time stop on Bitcoin. There you're in the money on Bitcoin. There's your alert. There's your money on Bitcoin. There's your money on Bitcoin. Look at it go up before your very eyes. I can do this every day. You can do this every day. Go over to safetytrade.com and buy the system. Go over to the safetytrade.com and buy the system. So not only are we making money on US30, NAS, NQ, SPX, and ES1, we're also making money on what? Gee, I don't know. How about Bitcoin? There's your profit. I'm telling you, Bitcoin's going up to 9,000. Told you it was going to the orange, by the way, it did. I told you it's going to 95,000, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. It does have a little dip coming first on the daily, but you guys can whine about that later. There you go. And there you go. All 5 in profit at once. Anybody impressed about it? Good morning, Big. And you're a little late, but that's okay. We made a shit ton of money this morning. Always fun trading with you. Thank you, Larry. Amy Lou says yes. Any other trader out there trading 5 symbols, 6 symbols at once and being correct every time, not only just on these, Bitcoin, I guarantee it's correct on XRP, but will correct on Nike, Target, J&J later saying the market's open. All of these are correct. Every symbol I trade every day, every one of the times they're correct and right. So what are we going to do about our market open? Don't trade it. We're going to need another pullback before then. I don't think we're going to get it. Jesus, it's going to be 9:20. We have 10 minutes to market open. A, never trade market open. 2, B, if you're going to trade market open, make sure you have your take profits locked in. And then C, if you're going to trade market open, demo trade only. You're only allowed to demo trade.
Demo trade only. I am not.
Love those blue line trades. Yep, I do too. Can't beat it. Look at the money being made. Look at the money being made. Look at the money being made. Money being made. Look at the money being made. Demo money only, of course. Amy Lou, please don't give any gifts. Please. I knew you meant love, Dad. I got you. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Why? Look at it go up. Gee, I don't know. Listen to it. Woo-hoo. Look at it go up before your eyes. Look at it go up before your eyes. Look at it go up. Go up before your eyes. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Buy the system. You can do it. You can do it. Buy the system. I can do it. You can do it. SafeTrade.com. Buy the system. Look at it. How much more do I have to do to convince you people to actually buy the system and learn how to trade for once in your lives? Every morning I'm on here doing it. I usually do it with 1 or 2 symbols. I'm now doing it with 5. Look, I told you to get on the orange line, take profit 1 hit. Told you to get on the orange line, take profit, get US30. Look at US30. Look at one. Look at ES1. Look at it. Look at it go up. Come on. Come on. Why are you even going to trade market open? Why are you going to even trade market open? Look at this shit. Look at it go up. Every last one of them. All I have to say, who is impressed? Who is impressed? Sevens if you're impressed. If you're not impressed, I don't give two. Look at this shit. Oh my gosh. Look at this go. Look at this go. This is absolutely 100% unbelievably great. You're witnessing history. There's no one on earth trading this like I. Zero. I give God all the glory. If I can do this, you head over to safetytrade.com and you do it. Find the system. Crazy how much money you're making. Look at demo money only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
This is just, tell me someone else is doing it. I told you when it happened the first time. I'm telling you, I taught you on it. Now it's happening again, just as I taught you. This is the exact same trade I just taught you earlier today. I don't hold anything back. Everything I know, I give you. Everything I know, I teach you. I do everything humanly possible to help you guys. Everything humanly possible to help you all. I hold nothing back. There is no secret sauce or anything. This is the secret sauce. I can do this every day. You got to do it once in a while. Look at it. Go up, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. All of them are, these are US30, NAS, NQ1, SPX. Am I finally getting through to some of you? The SPX and NAS are always the same. ES1 and NQ1, these are all the same. US30 can vary different a little bit, but I told you US30 is going to its 30 minutes. Okay, there it is again. There it is again. SPX, here's your SPX going up. It went past its orange line. It went past its orange line. Everything I just taught you came true. Everything I just taught you came true. I told you where your take profits were, right? I told you exactly where your take profits were. Off the yellow, off the orange, in the top of the previous high. There it is, off the yellow, off the orange. There it goes. Still have time with that one. This is to the past. This is past it. You still have time for NASDAQ to go up there. You still have time for US30 to go towards its 30-minute blue line today. I hope they pull it down before open. We only have about 5 minutes. We need it to pull down before open, and then once it does, we'll get in again on any one of these. I'll try to catch it. I'll do another trade live with you guys. Now, I give God all the credit. I want you to be clear. 3 for 3 now, 1,660 banked. Please don't play the open, Mr. C. Change your life by the system. I agree with you. Thank you, sir, for all the hard work we appreciate. Thank you, Jacob, and I appreciate you for what you do for us, for real. There you go, NQ1. There, I told you had time. I told you had time in NQ1 and now it just did it. There it is. Do you hear the mic? Can you see it? Watch, this is going to go up. Watch. There you go. There you go. Now, if you pull down on any one of these 5 symbols, we need something to pull back. We need something to pull back. I don't know which one, but we need one of them. Take profit hit NQ1. Yes. Take profit 2 is way past it. NQ? Oh, yeah. Take profit 2 and hit the orange line. Right. On NAS, it's all 3 take profits. On all symbols other than NQ1, all 3 take profits have been hit. Oh, that's not true either. ES1 hasn't been hit. ES1 and NQ have been hit for take profit 1 and 2. Take profit 3 has not been hit. Thank you, Adam, for clarifying that. And thank you, Blue Tide Acrylics, for making our great awards. I appreciate you very much. Me and Bree both appreciate you very, very much. All right, less than 3 minutes to market open. Please make sure you lock in profits. You never take a real trade. You don't even try to trade market open. You never do it. Okay? We need a pullback. If we don't get a pullback, there's nothing I can do. Does anybody have any quick questions? I have about 2 minutes to go before market open. I'm not going to stay long. If I don't see a pullback, I'm not getting a trade. Looks like we have a little pullback here on SPX. Oh, looks long. Oh, hold on. Looks like we have a pullback here on US30. Let me go down here. Let's see. Come on, baby. All right, I'm going to call a 10-second buy stop on US30. 10-second buy 30. Take profit 1, 39,961. Take profit 2, 39,973. Take profit 3, 3,984. We'll just sit here. It may or may not happen. Again, my system's set up that you either win or you don't lose. Yeah, we're going to sit right here. 10-second buy stop US30. Let me see. Hold on. Maybe I have some time. Shit. Like 2 minutes. Buy stop. Buy stop NAS 18,834. Let me see if I can get some Q1 action here. It's gonna be the same fucking thing. I can't do this cabinet too fast. 10-second buy Q1. Let me see if I can get SPX. Maybe it's a little laggy. Yes. SPX. Buy stop 10-second. ES1. It's in game. It's already done it. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop up here. You've already hit take profit 1 on those ones. Let's go back to US30 and see. We need a bigger pull down. There you go. We need a bigger pull down. That's what we need. Let me go 15 seconds. 15-second buy stop. I love this buy stop. Buy stop. US30 buy stop. Is this US30? Yeah. Okay, I got you. Just wait right here. Let's take this one. Let's go. All right, now buy stop US30. Market open in about a minute and a half. Please lock in profits. Demo trade only. Do not trade market open. That's my suggestion to you.
Demo trade only.
When I do this movement, it's going to be really quick. Gold. Let's go to gold. Oh, gold. Okay. Yep. Gold is a strongest buy. Is a 30-minute, 15-minute stop. Let's go back over to gold. Gold is a 2-hour buy. That's the only way I would look at gold. Buy stop. Gold buy stop. We did make one out of sell, but I don't do sells. It's called it out for you people out there that like pushing around. Be right back up to 3,427. That's my buy on gold. I'm going to go back to US30. I'm going to go back down to here. Yeah, we had to touch down 15-second buy. 30 seconds. Yeah, 30-second buy US30. Let's just stay there for a while. Let me get rid of this. Let me go back over here. And this is your green, red, pink, and blue, purple down. Buy stop US30. This is a buy stop US30. Market open. Market open. Let's see what happens. NQ1 crossing. NQ1 crossing. All right, let's go over to all of them. Yep, in the money on what is in the money on NAS. In the money on NAS, you have time for US30. You have time for NQ1. I love the trade. You're in tons of money on NAS. You can close your trades out on NAS. Just on US30s. Just wait. No rush at all on these US30s. Sit here and just wait. NAS is in so much money, you just close that down. I think we're a little laggy on those other ones. US30 in the money. US30s in the money. US30s in the money. I told you had time. Gold US30. There goes you're in all kinds of money on US30. You can close down your trades if you like. You can close down your trades if you like. You're in so much money on US30. Look at all the money on US30. You can close down. Feel free to close down your trade. Feel free to close down your trades. Beautiful trade on US30. It's gorgeous. I'm going to wait just a couple of minutes. I closed down one. I left some open. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous trade. Look, they gave us free money on US30. They gave free money on NAS, NQ1, FPX. Look at it go. Look at USD go. Look at US30 go. I told you where it was going. It's going to go up to the 30-minute blue line. This is all free money. Buy the system. If I can trade this, it's going to go right up to here. Let's see how much money we got to make right here. This is, oh my gosh, we have hundreds. There you go. US30 is even more money. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at mine. Look at mine. I left it open. There you go. There's your money 30. Look at your money. Boom, 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 boom. Over and over and over again. 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. But we're not done. 30. We have at least another 200 pips to go. We have 200 pips to go. It was at 700. It was at 3,000. Now we're at 4,000. Multiple trades open. Trading with you. Told you where it's going at 5 o'clock this morning. Told you where it was going yesterday. We're at $5,000 now. Do I hear 6? Do I hear 6? We're at $5,000 now. 5,400. Yep, there we go. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and close one of those down. I'll just keep one more open. Let's just keep having fun. Let's just keep making money. Let's just keep doing it. Wow. Thank you, God. Head over to thesafetytrade.com. Buy the system right here. If I can do this every day, you can do this at least once in a while. I trade every day. Correct trades. Safetytrade.com. Buy it here. There's one. I have to update that. And there you go. Look at that shit go. Look at it go. Where's it going to? Exactly where I told you it was going to 2.5 hours ago. Exactly where I told you it was going to. That's where it's going. It's going to go to the 30-minute blue line. And today I'm going to go ahead and lock these in and keep those open. Does anybody have anything to say on TikTok or YouTube? Thank you, God. Thank you, Jose Luis Alonso. Buy the system, says Marley Mario. All of them going up, all of the time. Look at it. I told you it was down here. I told you it was down here, 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 and here. They're all a huge profit, huge profit, huge profit, huge profit. Look at it go up. US30 and US30 is your best one. I told you that. You will see it go up all the way up to where that 30-minute is. Buy the system, learn how to trade. Buy the system, learn how to trade. Buy the system, learn how to trade. There's 6,000 each. There's your 6,000. 6,000, that's my goal. These are trades from just a few minutes ago. As I told you to take the trade, took the trades. There you go. All right, so we're going to lock the profit in on those and hold. There you go. There it is. Easy peasy. Oh, thank you, sir, for all the hard work. You're welcome. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. It's right. Bingo, bop, bango. Yep, I got to get those shirts made. Never did. All right, TikTokers. I'm going to go ahead and go. I have full. I mean, this has just been some good training in there, I think. It was a lot of fun. I just think it was a blast. You're welcome, Lachey, Adam, Jose. I really wish other people were saying thank you to God, because God deserves all the glory. Look at it go up. Maybe I can get us to 7,000 before I leave. I'm kind of hoping. And that is how you trade, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you trade. Buy the system. Buy the system. Yep, I think we're going to hit it. I don't know if we're going to hit it right this second. I'm trying to hang in there for you guys for a minute. Oh, what gorgeous. Look at these little 1-minute buy stops. I told you. I told you over and over again. I told you. 1-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line. How did I know it was going to go to 30-minute blue line? Because NAS and FPX were already over their 30-minute blue lines. I've taught you this. US30 was not over its 30-minute blue line yet. That's why it's going there. Please lock in profits, and then you can pay attention if you want for the 12-hour daily sells. I wouldn't, but you can if you want. I'm just going to hold these open for a while then. Thank you, Doughboy. Where can you learn, have fun, and make money? Right here, Kevin. Thanks, Doughboy. All right. I'm going to go ahead and roll. God bless you all on TikTok. Talk to you later. Lord willing, I should be on later today. Maybe, I don't know. All done. All right. YouTubers and Facebookers and Xers, I'm going to go ahead and roll. God bless you all. I'll talk to you all later. Thank you all for being here.